Napaka-solid ng mga seafood dishes na natikman namin dito sa Caloocan. Tingnan nyo naman yan, ang sasarap. And apart from that, specialty rin nila ang steak. So if you are in the mood for surf and turf, then this restaurant is something that you wouldn't want to miss.
Welcome to Sky Seafood!
This is Sky Seafood located sa Zapote Road, Caloocan City at meron din silang branch sa Orduha.
Happy birthday to you! Hey, hey! Happy birthday to you! Hey, hey!
Kita nyo naman, very ideal siya for big groups and families and celebrating special occasions. Dahil good for sharing ang mga serving sizes, meron din silang function hall. And for bigger celebrations, meron din silang mga events and catering packages. First up, we're having sinigang na salmon head and belly. The salmon was lightly fried before adding it to the soup, kaya mas less yung lansa niya. Tamang-tama rin yung asim at maraming gulay. Up next is this seafood and steak platter. I requested it to be medium well. Pagka-serve nila sa'yo, ipapacheck nila agad if it was cooked according to your liking. I guess ganun sila ka-confident that they know how to make steak. And I would say it was perfection. There's crusting on the outside but juicy on the inside. On the same platter, we also have shrimp and this super garlicky na scallops. Apart from that, meron din tayo ng seafood medley. Meron silang iba't ibang sauces that you can choose from. At yung pinili namin, syempre, is Cajun. Ang lalaki ng tahong at may kasama rin yung shrimp, squid, scallops, and sweet corn. I mean, they weren't joking when they said they specialize in steak and seafood. These are really tasty. Tapos ang sarap isabay dito sa kanilang Yangshao fried rice. Tatlo kami kumain dito for dinner at yung dalawang kasama ko hanggang sa kinabukasan, hindi sila makapaniwala na naubos nila yung isang platter ng Yangshao fried rice at yung dami ng seafood na kinain nila. Kasi nga kunwari nagda-diet pero dahil nga ang sarap, hindi napigilan. Ito naman yung sinuglaw. For those who are not familiar with it, ito yung kinilaw na hinaluan ng grilled na liempo. Meron siyang tamang acidity at anghang tapos napaka-fresh ng tuna and the vegetables. Perfect siyang isabay dito sa kanilang complimentary na crackers. We also had some tempura. This is crispy fried and lightly battered and that's served with that mayo dip that's slightly spicy. Grabe, and as if that's not yet enough, nag-order pa kami ng isang buong leche flan for desserts. Pag nagpunta kayo dito, siguraduhin yung gutom kayo. Dahil gugustuhin mo talagang makarami sa sarap ng mga food na sinaserve nila dito sa Sky Seafood.